Self-cleaning cat litter box. The next generation in smart pet care. Smart app control. Manage your cat's litter box remotely with full control via the dedicated app. Revolutionary safety design. Featuring a pioneering bucket warehouse integrated, anti-pinch structure, unlike first-gen vertical stacking designs. No cutting port equals no risk for your furry friend. Hassle-free cleaning. Fully detachable components including the bucket ring, litter holder, and filter make deep cleaning easy and efficient. Quick drainage system. Designed for easy discharge of residual water and litter, ensuring faster cleaning and quicker reuse. Leak-proof innovation. With a wire loop elastic filling design, it's 100% leak-proof, no more urine or litter spills. Advanced filtration. Includes a flip-style, metal antibacterial filter, detachable and replaceable. Comes with 2 mesh options for tofu sand and mineral sand. Upgrade your cat's hygiene experience with the Tonepie 65L today. Cleaner, safer, smarter.